Hello, good morning children. Are you ready with your math SB book, pencil and eraser children? Okay, now let's start our class. In our last class, we have learnt increasing order. Now one of you come on tell me the meaning of increasing order. Yes, the meaning of increasing order is arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Today we are learning decreasing order. Decreasing order is the reverse of the increasing order. The meaning of decreasing order is arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest. That is just like climbing down the stairs. Look at this picture, children. When we start from 5, next we get is 4. Next is 3. Next number we get is 2 and the last number is 1. We write as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is just like climbing down the ladder. Now let us take one more example. That is 20, 3 and 12. These are the given numbers. Always remember that when you compare a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number, 1-digit number is the smallest number and 2-digit number is the biggest number. So, in the given numbers 20, 3 and 12, which number is biggest? It is 20. So, strike out 20 and write 20 first. Next, we are left with 3 and 12. Out of these two numbers, 3 and 12, which number is biggest? It is 12. So, strike out 12 and write 12 next to 20. The last number we are left is 3. So, strike out 3 and write after 12. So, when we arrange the given numbers in decreasing order, we write it as 20, 12 and 3. Did you understand the concept clearly, children? Yes. Let's proceed. Now, all of you open page number 21, children. Here we have a heading, write the numbers in decreasing order. The first one is already done. I will explain it. Here, the three numbers given are 14, 5 and 13. Out of these three numbers, which number is biggest? It is 14. So, 14 is biggest. When you are writing that number 14 in the ladder, start from the top of the column. Just like climbing down the ladder or climbing down the stairs. So, write 14 in the topmost column or the box. Next, we are left with 5 and 13. So, out of these two numbers, which number is big? 13 is big. So, strike out 13 and write 13 in the second box. And the last number we have is 5. So, strike out 5 and write 5. Now, here there is an important point. See the arrow marks. How it is pointing? It is pointing from top to down. The arrow marks are pointing down. So, you have to start writing the numbers from the top to the down. Now, let us take up the second question. What are the numbers given here? Come on, tell me, children. They are 7, 10 and 18. Out of these three given numbers, which number is biggest? It is 18. Strike out 18 and write 18 in the first box. Now we are left with two numbers, that is 7 and 10. Out of 7 and 10, which number is big? It is 10. So strike out 10 and write in the second box. Start writing from the top box. Next, the last number we are left with is 7. So write 7 in the last box. Now let's go for third question. Here the numbers we have is 14, 2 and 12. Out of these three given numbers, which number is biggest? Come on, tell. It is 14. Strike out 14 and write in the first box. Start writing from the topmost box, children. Next we are left with 2 and 12. Out of 2 and 12, which number is big? It is 12. So strike out 12 and write 12 in the next box, that is the second box. Next last is 2. Strike out 2 and write 2 in the third box. Now let's go for the fourth question. Here the numbers given are 15, 17 and 19. Out of these three given numbers, which number is biggest? It is 19. Strike out 19 and write 19 in the first box. Next, it is 17. Strike out 17 and write 17 in the second box. Children, remember, start writing the decreasing order from the topmost box. Now the last number we are left with 15. So strike out 15 and write 15 in the third box. Next two questions you try for yourself, children. Here are two worksheets, children. Take the help of your parents. Write the questions neatly in a rough book and try to answer them. Children, you need to learn the tables daily as they are very important for quick maths. Learn 4th and 5th table today. Let's continue our topic in the next class. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day.